Top 5 health benefits of positive thinking. Being optimistic doesn't come naturally to many people. It's something you often have to consciously work on. For instance, when you notice your thoughts are becoming darker, you need to put a stop to it right away. So, in this presentation, you're going to be learning some of the top benefits of thinking positively. Number 1. Greater overall happiness. When you're a positive thinker, you see the lighter side of things. You don't envy what other people have, rather you're content and you're grateful for what you already have. There's nothing wrong with wanting more, of course. But you're not going to be berating yourself for not being where you want to be. You'd be more accepting. You'd be more willing to forgive yourself if your dreams get derailed by a few more months or years. Number 2. Longer lifespan. We're not talking about dying in freak accidents and things of that nature. Rather, we're referring to one's natural lifespan. When you're optimistic, you get stressed far less often than your pessimistic counterparts. You don't get sick from too much stress. This usually translates to a stronger immune system, provided you also know how to take good care of your body. Of course, when you're a positive thinker, you don't feed your body with junk because you know nothing good will ever come of it if you do. Number 3. Slower aging. Happy people generally look younger, although genetics may also play a hand when it comes to aging well. Naturally, the older we get, the slower we move around. But you'd be surprised to see just how agile most positive people are. They're quicker on their feet, they smile more, and they socialize well with others. Number 4. Lower cholesterol. The Harvard School of Public Health published a study in the American Journal of Cardiology in 2013, which basically found that optimistic participants have higher levels of good cholesterol. If you pair optimism with a good diet and regular exercise, then you just might be able to lower your cholesterol levels for good. Number 5. Reduce risk of cardiovascular disease. A study published in Circulation, a journal of the American Heart Association, found that positive people were less likely to develop and die from coronary heart disease, CHD. If you want to live well into your senior years, then consider adopting a more positive outlook and a healthier lifestyle too.